welcome back to my channel, and welcome if this is your first time here. So I know what you all may probably be thinking, it's June, why is she putting up a Christmas video? So if you may recall, I did post a video a few months ago when I was on my break, saying that I was going to get the video out. Never got around to it. This video has been recorded since November, and definitely was not my intentions to wait this long to get it out. Thought it would have been out long before now. But anyway, I hope this does at least give you some inspiration for the upcoming holiday season, to try to prepare for in advance, and hope you enjoy it. So the primary color of the Christmas tree is matte black, also incorporated with white and then some gold. Also, FYI, I did cut a lot of the original footage in half to kind of shorten up the video.